A shift brought up by the COVID-19 pandemic made us feel a bit isolated these days. The human aspect of customer interactions is at its lowest, posing a risk of hampered customer retention. However, video marketing is coming up as a rescue to cope up with the challenge at hand. Businesses are employing the effective use of videos to gain new customers' trust and retain the existing ones. Video marketing has become the fastest growing trend of the digital era, said Matt Byrom, managing director of Wyzowl, in the advocacy of today's video marketing trend. A report by Wyzowl himself underlines the importance of video in the marketing strategy. It shows that 82% of companies believe in the power of video in building trust among viewers. Keeping the advantages of video marketing in mind, business owners must explore the landscape of video marketing strategies. This video provides basic guidelines as to how videos can be used to connect with customers in a better way. 1. Choose a suitable place for filming. When you decide to film something, choosing a suitable place is crucial. But how would you decide if a place for filming is suitable or not? Lighting plays a major role in the quality of the video you are producing as it creates the mood for the video. The high-end, expensive cameras won't help you if you don't care for the light settings. If you are filming indoors, you won't be able to capture natural sunlight. Thus, you need to make some arrangements to enhance the quality of lighting for your videos. You can set up the shot in front of a window from where the light is coming inside. Adjust the light settings to avoid too bright or too dark video appearance. You can move the camera away or close to the window as per your video's light requirements. To get even lighting throughout the span of the video, ensure the unvarying levels of brightness on the subject and in the background. Also, consider hanging a gloomy shower curtain in front of the window if the lighting is too harsh. It will diffuse the light and make it softer and flattering. 2. Use the smartphone to get the best shot at low effort. It is not mandatory for you to purchase high-end cameras to get the best shot. Your smartphone camera is feasible and requires low effort when it comes to shooting a video. For instance, Posture Break, Zach Schleen, makes effective use of his smartphone to film exercise videos. He has developed his style of video making, which is simple and practical. He makes a big batch of filming the multiple exercises. And then, he uses Adobe Premiere Pro to cut them into individual pieces of videos. While using a smartphone for shooting, you need to stabilize the phone camera. Use either a tripod or set it up on a flat surface. However, while purchasing a tripod for your phone, make sure that it supports your device horizontally and vertically. Adjust the frame according to the requirement of the shot. For instance, if you want to display a full-body exercise routine, setting up a wide frame is essential for the camera to record each movement. Otherwise, if you want to display a product, then you might need a closer shot. 3. Make use of a streamlined service. Social media platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or conferencing platforms like Zoom or Skype are among the popular mediums that offer video streaming services. Make effective use of these platforms for the purpose of video marketing. For instance, the Inner Cycle, a fitness studio, had started using Zoom extensively when pandemic forced them to shut their studio-based classes. These live streaming classes have worked well for them as their customers welcomed the new shift positively. Conclusion. Given the dominance of videos on social media today, it is imperative for businesses to consider video marketing to support their efforts in engaging more customers with their brand. This need is further highlighted by the pandemic situation we are currently in. However, before you dive deep into this landscape, you must start with video making basics. As you take care of these basic guidelines, all you have is limitless opportunities in front of you that help you grow and flourish your business. A Bill Must production.